Good morning, everyone. This morning, I'm going to a little-known waterfall in Hurley, New York in the Catskills. It's a little-known waterfall, so much so that parking is very, very limited. Parking is just a pull-out on the side of the road with space for maybe 2 or 3 cars. Now, my biggest worry is we've had snow the past couple of days, and that parking area will likely not have been cleared of ice and snow. I do not want a repeat of what happened a couple of days ago when I went to Minnewaska to another little-known waterfall there where parking is also roadside. Parking was not cleared of ice and snow, and I gradually eased myself back into the parking lot little by little, each time trying to see if I can get out until I could not anymore. So I had to call AAA to send a tow truck to pull me out. Hopefully that doesn't happen this time. We're here, and I'm very happy to report that the parking space is kind of clear and the waterfall is right there. So there are these rocks here to prevent, I guess, cars from parking inside. I'm not sure why. Hurley Waterfalls. Now, from what I read online, this waterfall used to be called Coward's Falls. Coward as in, you know, not brave. I see a truck pass by, sorry about that noise. Presumably there's a creek down there under that blanket of snow, so this is as close as I get to the waterfall because I don't want to walk on that snow because that could be water. Hurley Falls. It's a real waterfall. I'd say maybe, I don't know, between 50 and 100 feet high. It's a real waterfall in the sense that it doesn't rely on rainfall to power water that strong. I'm pretty sure it's year-round. You'll find water falling down this waterfall. What I'm not sure of is why this waterfall is not known at all. You won't find this in any official or semi-official tourist attractions website for Catskills, so you just have to know that it exists. And I'm pretty sure locals around the area would not want to share that information, but I found it on Google. Somebody already posted the coordinates there. So come while it's still a kind of secret. For long, I'm pretty sure this is not going to be a secret anymore. And they had to do something about that parking being so small. I'd say it's a very beautiful waterfall, as beautiful as Platic Hill, which is what it reminds me of. Many beautiful waterfalls require you to hike to get to the waterfall. There's nothing wrong with that. Indeed, that is probably why you came there for, to hike in nature to get to a beautiful waterfall. But the waterfall in Hurley begs to differ. Situated in the middle of a nice amphitheater, surrounded by nature, the waterfall at Hurley is as beautiful as waterfalls get, but without the hike. As you can see, parking is very, very limited. I count maybe 1, 2, 3, just 3 cars. That's probably it. If this waterfall becomes famous and popular, I hope they put more parking spaces here, because this is such a beautiful waterfall and you don't have to walk far to get there. You don't have to hike to get there. It's right off the road. Very cool, very exciting. I am excited.